Okay, welcome back for more SMS Lead Network training. And in this video, I wanted to show you how to import contacts into the system so that you can get prepared to start doing some text campaigns. Okay, now before you can even think about importing any type of contacts into the system, you first need to have contacts. To know where to find contacts. Okay, so what I've done as promised is I'm sharing with you two different places where you can get opportunity seeker leads that you can then upload into your software. All right, now the first one is called Lead Power. Okay, and I will have links for both of these sources underneath the video here in the description. But the first source is called Lead Power. Now, mind you, these two sources that I'm sharing with you, Lead Power and MLMleads.com, are really designed for you to dial them. Okay, the people that sell these leads are typically purchased for people who like to dial leads. The unfortunate thing is that there is a very small percentage, maybe 3% out of 100 opportunity marketers that will actually pick up a phone and dial their leads. Okay, so these leads are good leads. So if you choose to, you could dial them. But for the purpose of this video, we're sharing this source with you so that you know where to find leads you can upload into the platform and send text messages. I mean, they're good prospects because they requested information about a business opportunity. The downside to using guys like these is that the quantity of leads that you get is not large enough for the price and for the goal that you have in mind. Okay, now if you're wanting to dial leads, this is an excellent price, $97 for 600 leads. But if you're wanting to text blast them, that is not quite that many leads. That's only $6 worth of text messages. And in order for you to get results, you need to be marketing on a mass scale. Okay, so you need to be marketing to 6,000 people a week, not 600. Okay, so hopefully you're following me there. Now, so why did I share this with you at all? Because I promised you I would share with you a place to get leads. Now, I do have sources, private sources, that you will get access to when you join my team, where you can actually get access to hundreds of thousands of leads for about the same price. So I have one source you can get 25,000 cell phone leads for 25 for 97 dollars or $100. Okay. Then I have another guy who will give you 100,000 leads of genealogy leads, meaning they were already in a business opportunity, and he will sell you those for somewhere between $300 and $500, depending on the quality of the list. Okay, but that's 100,000 leads versus having 600 at one time. So now you can do some major marketing. Okay, all right. So once you get access to those leads, what you then do is you come here to import contacts. Okay, and actually let me rewind a step, because before you import your contacts, you need to create a contact list. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll click on contact list, and what you're going to do is you're going to give that contact list a name and then click on add group. So for example, let's say you bought 600 leads from Lead Power. You could put LP 600. That way you know the source and you also know how many of them that you're going to be marketing to in that group. Okay, so now you can go over here to import contacts and you can click here to upload the file. So when you click there, you're going to search your computer for your file with your leads in it. Okay, so for example, I would take any file here that I wanted to upload, double click it, and it will be added to the system. And then you just simply click on upload. Okay, all right, so now you need to give all of these fields need to have the proper name. So for example, this is a first name, so you would switch that to first name. Here is the last name. You use that. And you only need to do this with the relevant information that you think you might want to use in your outgoing text message. If you don't think you're going to use their last name, which in most cases you won't, you don't need to add this. But you should add the first name just in case, but most importantly, you need to add the phone number. So find the field, even if you have to scroll to the side here like that, find the field with the phone number in it and click here and switch it to phone. That is the most important function on this entire video, is you making sure that the phone field matches the phone number column, because if you don't do that, then your messages won't go out. Okay, but if you want to get more personal, you can do the first name, you can do the last name, and the email. And I've got some tricks that you can use to apply this information, which will make you seem more legitimate as to where you got their contact information if they were to inquire how you got their contact information. Okay. Uh, Once you've done that, you're going to add these to the list that you created. So now, in this example, it would be LP600. So we're going to add these leads to the LP600 group. Okay. And then we would click on upload. Okay. And then once those are uploaded, you will see a new screen with a bunch of leads and stuff. I'm going to take it off this page because that's some private information that you really shouldn't see. So, with that being said, that is how you uh, import contacts into the system. And I also shared two sources with you that, if you use consistently, more than likely will get you sales. But the thing is you want to be doing it on a larger scale. And I know that a lot of people can't afford to do increments of 600 leads at $100 a whop and be able to market consistently. So what you need is a larger contact list, like say 100,000 people on your lead list for 300-400 bucks, and then now you have leads that you can market to for a much longer time. Okay, so that is what you need. You need a mass amount of leads. Okay, um, you also need a source. So when you join with me, I'm going to give you more sources. So don't worry about that. I have leads on my own computer that I can share with you. And just in case you did not know, whoops, just in, just in case you did not know, let me show you something else. You're also going to get access to um, you're going to get access to leads just for joining SMS Lead Network that are already built into the system. Okay, so if you see here, download bonus leads on this bottom tab here, you can see that there are 20 million bonus leads available for you already here inside the system that you can use. Okay, and they're a mixture of op seekers, MLM lists, cell phone lists. So these are decent leads you can use. The only problem is that um, the more and more people that come into this system, the more convoluted those leads will become. So you need to get into the system now, and if you want to use those leads, you need to use them up while you can before SMS Lead Network becomes mainstream, and then those leads will be so watered down that you'll need to go out and buy your own lists anyway, which you also should be doing in the first place. Okay, just being completely honest with you. You need to differentiate, and you can't differentiate yourself if you're marketing to the exact same list of leads that every other marketer in SMS Lead Network is also using. So hopefully that you got a little clarity on that in this video. Now, in the next video, I'm going to start showing you how to set up your SMS broadcaster, how to fund uh, the network that actually does the sending of the text messages, so that you can send your messages for a penny per text. And we will just continue to move through the system. So with that being said, if you are interested in this opportunity, all you have to do now is click on the link that's below the video, and get more information, or you can go directly to my link at sms.partnerwithdell.com. Again, that's sms.partnerwithdell.com. Okay, so I will see you guys on the next video and show you how to start setting up your SMS broadcaster. Talk to you then.